So for our second pro tip, this has something to do with the first one with about fish gum, but any synthetic bait that you put on your hook can rust it out if you're not taking it off. When you put your rigs back in the bag, you put it back, maybe you just like hook it onto a hook on your pole and then just stick it in the garage. I've heard of people say that they left it a whole winter and then they come back to it and it's all like black. The biggest thing is that it's gonna rust your hook out. And I have had hooks actually break off and I lost a fish, a good fish. I've lost a couple really good fish because I was too lazy to cut off the fish bites, to cut off the fish gum before I put the rig back in the bag. But those synthetic baits can really rust your hooks out. So before you leave the beach, as you're packing up, just cut them off the hook. It's gonna take you a whole like 3 seconds more to cut it off. So keep that in mind when you're at the beach. Take those synthetic baits off your hook so you don't lose fish down the road.